Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to update Uber application. So first of all, launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. So in my case, I'm going to launch Google Play Store. Once you come here at the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of search. Tap on it. Now go to the search bar on top and search for Uber. Here we go. Now tap on the Uber application. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that your Uber application is updated to its latest version. Once you update the app, you will get latest features. There will also be fixation of app problems and your app will start running smoothly if there are any issues. So follow these easy steps in order to update Uber app. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.